Hello friends, welcome to GreyPot. Today we're gonna make this very delicious, super tasty and fudgy, no-bake chocolate brownies. And these chocolate brownies are sugar-free, gluten-free and no flour added. If you're not adding the chocolate ganache, this is also a vegan recipe. So let's get started. Here I'm adding almonds, cashews and some cocoa powder and blend this into a coarse powder like this. Now add in some dates and blend it again. Now you'll get a thick dough-like consistency. Now take a bowl, place a parchment paper and dump in all of that into it. Now take a silicone spatula or a wet spoon and press it firmly. And before adding the dates, I have soaked those dates in warm water for 10 minutes. And here I've used almonds and cashews. You can replace it with walnuts or pistachios or any other nuts of your choice. Now take some roughly chopped almonds and press it down on top of it to give a more nutty flavor for this chocolate brownie. And you have to refrigerate it for 1 hour. You can have it directly like this, but to give more chocolatey flavor, let's make this chocolate ganache. Pour in some warm fresh cream into a bowl and add in some dark chocolate. Keep it aside for 10 minutes and then give it a whisk to get this delicious chocolate ganache. You can keep this ganache in refrigerator for 1 hour to make it more thick. Now let's take the chocolate brownie and pour this chocolate ganache on top of it. Now spread it evenly and add some chopped almonds on top of it. Now you have to refrigerate it until the ganache is set. Now take it out very carefully from the bowl and slowly open the parchment paper from the sides. Now let's cut this into desired shapes. So our nutty and fudgy chocolate brownies are ready. These chopped almonds in between gives a very nutty flavor in each bite of this chocolate brownie. These brownies you can easily make at home when you feel like having a chocolate craving but not in a mood to bake something. And if you are not adding the chocolate ganache on top, this is a complete vegan recipe. So definitely try this recipe at home and leave me a comment if you like it. And all the ingredients for this chocolate brownie is always available on your kitchen counter. So definitely try it. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notifications. You can watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.